I was taking my little boy to the doctor's, and on our way back, I took him over to my mom's because she's the babysitter, and my brother calls me and says that, you know, there's a shot fire. So I'm thinking it's just one of the little fires that we usually use, put out a fire extinguisher, you know, just the small things. And yeah, I kind of figured by the tone of his voice that wasn't the case.
I was coming down North Park Way, coming towards Marysville, and I seen some smoke. I had just pulled out of a body shop. As I'm driving down the road, you could see the smoke getting thicker and thicker.
So I'm going down Northwest Parkway, and all you see is smoke. I tried coming in behind a fire engine, and he would not let me through. So, you know, the first thing I'm thinking in my head is like, my brother's stuck in there, because I've tried calling him 3 or 4 more times. I couldn't get a hold of him.
As I got probably literally within about 2/10 of a mile of the shop, the road was shut down.
I drive down the road and pretty much waited out until my boss calls me.
Decide to turn left and go into another shop, try to see if I can find out what's going on. Travis follows me into that shop. He's scared, worried that, you know, everything that he owns is gone.
And I get up there, and, you know, everybody made it out, but it wasn't a good time at all.
A couple hours later, finally found out that the fire was put out, and found that the Matco box was the only one that survived.
The only one that made it out was mine. I don't know if it was just luck. I don't really know what it was. I'm thankful it made it out, because I don't want to restart. When I first started here, he was actually one of the ones that didn't strike me as somebody I'd actually buy from, really. Just because he came across as like my dad would come across to people. Travis, when I first started, honestly, I thought he was a little young punk kid. And then, you know, a couple months went on, and we just kind of small talked about small stuff on the truck, and we actually made a pretty good friendship, I think. Every young tech has rough days, but we always talked every Friday, and we built a pretty good relationship. So he's my only tool truck driver that I buy from now. After Travis posted a video of cleaning up the box, which they did a fantastic job at doing, Matco reached out and wanted to try to help Travis out. So Matco granted him with a nice hutch to go along with his box. That was cool, though. There you go. I'll never own another box other than Matco. I'm not going to make it a point to go buy another box. If I buy another box, it'll have that same Eagle logo on it that mine does now.